Heating every type of dish without taking up too much space in your work environment is now possible thanks to the Prismafood Small Basic 240 Glass and Light Oven. Small, reliable and powerful, Small Basic 240 Glass and Light is suitable for bars and food courts that offer their customers specialities to be enjoyed during a break, for a quick but tasty meal or for a snack. Easy to use and with optimized energy consumption, Small Basic 240 Glass and Light is also available with the 4 thermostats option to dose the cooking heat suitable for each preparation. Prismafood Small Basic 240 Glass and Light, Italian reliability for your professional kitchen. DSA Touch and Go is the rolling machine, unique of its kind, equipped with sensors for automatic start, designed by Prismafood Company. The rollers start working when the dough touches the upper slide. Thanks to this, the machine starts working only when needed, and it switches off automatically. This method allows energy and time to be saved and reduces the wear on the mechanical components. Move the switch to position 1 to switch the machine on in the touch and go mode. Push Time Set to set the time you want the machine to work for. The rolling machine is now set. The passage of the dough over the upper slide will start the rollers automatically. In this way, the machine's motor will only start when the